welcome to UBA YouTube channel. Now, back to me again, Michael. Now, I have the participants, future leaders beside me who already joined our dual EMBA workshop. Hello, mister. Could you please introduce your name to our friends?
My name is Adam Tan Boon Kiang.
Mr. Adam, so what you've been doing currently?
Actually, I'm in line of precision mechanical engineering, producing those precision automation machine parts and supply to customer who running high volume production. I'm a managing director of my company, and my company name is Pioneer Precision Tools Sdn Bhd.
Could you please tell me how you get to know about UBA and then suddenly you decide join this program?
Okay, actually I get to know about UBA is through one of my customer. I get to know about this UBA. They can provide us a lot of knowledge and then about the business. That's why I decided to join UBA program. My intention is want to try to find some new idea and some new tactic to apply in my business.
Awesome. Okay, so we're gonna talk a little bit about dual EMBA workshop. Could you please tell me what are the unforgettable things that you gained from this workshop?
Yeah, actually I'm very happy to join at this dual EMBA program. During these 3 days, I've got quite a lot of new ideas which I have never had in my life so far.
That's great. That's great.
Power of the influence, how to be a perfect leadership. Another one, I also learned how to decide our product pricing. That's a very great point. I think it is a very helpful for me to apply in my business.
I saw that all the participants also pay attention about this, how to calculate the price and then about the competition with your competitors actually, right?
Yeah.
That's awesome, that's awesome. If I ask you to give from 1 to 10, what score that you will give for this dual EMBA workshop?
I will give 10.
Wow!
Yeah, really helpful to us.
Yes, and do you hope there's another EMBA workshop again?
Yes, I hungry for the next EMBA program. I will join to learn more, some new knowledge in the future.
Okay, well, thank you so much for Mr. Adam, and thank you so much for having the interview section with me. And then I hope that what you gain from this dual EMBA workshop, you can apply to your company or even your life. Okay, thank you so much. Time to say goodbye to our friends.
Yeah,
Bye bye.
thank you.
See you on the next video.
Thank you, EMBA.